A blow from the Supreme Court, the LGBT community is gathering today at Jantar Mantar to press for their rights. The Supreme Court had set aside a High Court verdict, remember, decriminalizing homosexuality. After that, the community is gathering today at Jantar Mantar to press for a legislation quickly to that effect which decriminalizes homosexuality. Basically, their demand is that the Parliament takes up this matter and amends Section 377. Pankaj Upadhyay is now joining us with more details from Jantar Mantar. Pankaj, how many people have gathered for that gay parade and how many more are expected to join in today?
Maha, the popular protest hub of Delhi, the Jantar Mantar, has today turned into a massive protest zone, not just by the members of civil society, but the gay community as well. Now, I can see somewhere around 200 to 300 people who have gathered here, and many more are expected by the evening time. And instead of disappointment, I see solidarity and oneness and the mood to protest here amongst the people. First and foremost, it was way back in perhaps 1992 that we witnessed the first protest against Section 377, but things doesn't seem to have changed over the years as well.
Yeah, they remain the same, but we have not lose our hope. The community is all, we shall overcome someday, and this feeling the community is having today. This pillar of protest, as you can see, all the LGBT members, they are tying, the family members also, I want to say, that their mothers, their fathers, and everyone, all the friends, they tying a thread of protest and protection. We are asking for our children from the government, and this pillar of protest will be given to the Law Minister, Shri Kapil Sibal ji, and we have full faith on him.
Absolutely. Now this protest is because Supreme Court's operative order has reversed the landmark judgment of the Delhi High Court that decriminalized homosexual acts. Now, over to you. Do you feel gross injustice has been served to you people?
Yeah, the Supreme Court has effected injustice and has failed to be an upholder of human rights. It has abdicated its responsibility and passed the buck back to the government. Shame on it.
Now, so much so to the extent that some people have masked their identity. Why are you masking your identity?
Because Supreme Court has forced me to mask my identity. They had posed one condition that there are people are asking me, LGBT committee, this country is not meant for you, you should leave the country.
So the feeling of indiscrimination, feeling of vulnerability is here. Now over to you, an important question. Do you feel that now you are more vulnerable to harassment?
Definitely we are much more vulnerable to harassment because the police has got authority to question us, to detain us, to abuse us, to extort us. Now this is very much disappointing for us, and we are really scared about this.
Absolutely. The communities that have gathered here disappointed to the core and maintain the protest will definitely continue. As of now, as I mentioned, there would be some 200 to 300 members, Maha, but then as the evening progresses as well, we are bound to see more numbers gather here.
Pankaj, could you also get views of some of the people who've gathered there about the BJP stand on the issue? They are opposing decriminalizing of homosexuality.
Now, coming to you people, our biggest opposition party, the BJP, clearly states they are opposed to, this very decision, the earlier decision. What would you comment on it? Perhaps you would have expected the BJP to act in a much wiser fashion.
See, I would comment on this that BJP leaders, so-called BJP leaders, they're all the women, especially I want to say that they are born from their own wombs. When we as the women accept them, then why they are thinking on so much grounds? Or even my children, they all go to church, they all go to Gurdwara, they all go to Dargah. But the God is accepting them, then what's the question of a BJP? Who is BJP? And if the God would not accept them, why would they send in the womb of a mother?
So is it like just not accepting a group of people who really exist?
It is a question of identity as well as existence.
Right.
Yeah. So it's like the government is denying our existence.
Yeah.
So we are losing our ground. So we have to fight it back. And
in today's time and age, such archaic laws, I mean, we have political parties, we are giving you a forum. Would you like to say something to these people, the political parties as such?
I want to comment on the political parties. Please go back to your school, get your diaries, just read the rhymes you read in your school. खुद भी जियो औरों को भी जीने जो हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन्म एक है. The pledge, India is my country, all sisters are my brothers and sisters. And just go back to those days and remember, and then your heart will say, yes, we are wrong. They are our children. We have to accept them. You know, the day it has come from Wednesday onwards, their life has changed totally. They all are crying. We know this from our heart. Their parents are crying. They can't even sleep. They don't have the food also. They're all the lifts there, you know. You please think over those terms. ये जो आप कर रहे हैं, and this is just a small thing. ये protest अभी शुरू हुआ. It will go on and on.
So while many people are teary-eyed here, we have rainbow-colored flags, chanting, placards, and most of the people gathered here in solidarity. Maha.
Pankaj, could you ask your cameraman please to show us the number of people who have gathered at the moment, and also at the same time help us understand how is the LGBT community going to continue to pressure the government to bring about an amendment to water down Section 377?
All right. Now, while I ask my camera person to pan a little bit and show you what's the scene here, how many people have gathered, I'd love to ask you, now, how do you take it from here? Obviously, it's a big daunting task at hand. Supreme Court's operative order is nearly out. How do you take it from here?
I just believe in the song that we shall overcome someday. Right. And if deep in my heart, I do believe. So I take definitely all the LGBT members, all my family, space family, we will definitely get it, repeal the Section 377. It's a hope from our side.
Any sort of assurances from any quarter? Obviously, you're getting a lot of support from the civil society members. Any political parties that would have had some word with you?
We have sent the letters to the Shri Kapil Sibal ji, and this pillar of protest we'll be presenting to him. And I think he has given the assurance also. Even the Congress government has given the assurance. Rahul Gandhi has given the assurance. And even what the LGBT is saying today is that, okay, then please don't come for votes for us. They will all boycott the votes now. So
this is an important thing that you say.
Yeah, it's a very important thing the LGBT community has said in the morning, because we are having a dharna from 10 a.m. onward. They have said,
I guess you should directly raise this point to all the political parties, since Headlines Today is giving you a forum here. The important point that you are raising here, if they do not care for your issues, then you are saying that you will not vote.
We won't vote. Our LGBT people would not vote for them. This is sure. We will vote. We won't vote.
Okay.
This is the thing has come from their heart, you know.
All right.
And they won't vote.
So, Maha, a lot of issues coming out here, as I maintain. Perhaps by the evening time, these members are also saying that some assurances have been given by certain political parties. But unless, of course, there is something in black and white, these people are not going to take their protest back. And I would again repeat that here, that this very protest ground has become a zone of big protest. As you can see again here, rainbow-colored flags here.
Absolutely.
This person has masked his identity. People all around in protest, waiting for some sort of concrete assurance. No cosmetic gesture on part of the political
No cosmetic
parties.
gestures. So what Pankaj tells us over there, the LGBT community stands by its right to get what they deserve. After the Supreme Court dealt a blow to them, they are now looking at Parliament to amend Section 377 over there. In fact, after the Supreme Court's blow to the gay rights movement in the country, the BJP has enunciated its stand in favor of recriminalizing homosexuality. The BJP National President Rajnath Singh reportedly stated that the party position, saying, and I quote, homosexuality is unnatural and cannot be supported.
देखिए, बात सही है जो राजनाथ सिंह जी ने कहा है, वो बहुत स्पष्ट तौर से कहा है, बहुत साफ तौर से कहा है। हमारे देश की संस्कृति और सांस्कृतिक विरासत और उसके साथ साथ जो देश में माहौल है, उसको हम पाश्चात्य संस्कृति के रास्ते पर नहीं ले जा सकते। इसलिए जो है वो जो लोग इसका समर्थन कर रहे हैं, वो क्यों कर रहे हैं, किन कारणों से कर रहे हैं, ये वो बेहतर बता पाएंगे। लेकिन जो राजनाथ जी ने कहा है, वो बिल्कुल देश की नब्ज है।
राजनाथ जी समलैंगिकता पे आपने बोला, उसको तो एक टिप्पणी सर, एक फिर अपने कहने का